Hello friends, today I will show you how to install this control box for MATE380 auto open heat press machine, latest design. Still remember this machine, right? And when you receive this package, the control box is not installed in the heat press. You need to install it by yourself. Don't worry, it is very easy to install this. I will show you one by one. Okay, first we need to plug in this wire. And there are two nuts like this. Just to use fingers to tighten the nut, no need any tools. Almost finished. It is very easy. And this design help us reduce the packing volume in the maximum extent, and also save shipping freight. And let's see, it is very convenient to exchange the control box if you need to replace it. Now we have finished. It is very stable, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. You can find us from our YouTube channel, Fujian Xinhong, and our website, xheatpress.com. Waiting for your message. Okay? See you next time. Goodbye.